Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start a portfolio site on SiteGround. I just tap on my Safari browser on the official SiteGround website. Before you creating an account, you have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code. Starting a portfolio website. To create a new website, go to your client area website tab and click on the new website button. So after next, choose the domain name of your website. On the next step, click the under start new website, select it, just tap on select it and select WordPress. So after next, select your preferences and click pay now for finish if you don't want to add additional services. So once you indicate you will be starting your new website, you will be able to choose an application to build your site with portfolio option. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.